Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about for loops using range. As a review of last time, we talked about for loops, which are a control structure that runs a block of code repeatedly by iterating over elements in a sequence. And this is what it looks like. For some variable that we define in sequence, like a string, we execute some code. And this is important because it gives us the ability to do something a certain number of times. And we don't need to copy and paste the code over and over again. We talked about the differences between for and while. And for runs code a predetermined and known number of times, versus while runs until some certain condition is no longer met, and we're not quite sure how many times we're going to run that loop. So who here likes cookies? I certainly do. We can bake 400 batches of cookies by using a while loop. So if we have count equals 0, we do while count less than 400, bake cookies, and increment count. So we can also do this with a for loop by using the range function. So let's talk about what range does. It returns a sequence from start to end, not including the end. And we can use range with for loops to repeat a loop when we need numbers. As a reminder, when we do for variable in sequence, we always get a string as the variable. But if we need a number, we can use range. So let's look at what range does. Range of 5, 8 is going to give us 5, 6, 7, not including 8. If we get range of 0, 5, it's going to give us 0 through 5, not including 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. For range, we can give it just one number instead of two like from the slides before. So when we give it only one number, we give it the end index, which we don't include, starting from 0. So range 3 is equivalent to range of 0, 3. Both are going to give us 0, 1, 2. So as another example, range of 5 is going to give us 0 through 5, not including 5. So it'll give us 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Range of 1 is going to give us 0 through 1, not including 1. So it'll give us 0. Now it's your turn. So head over to Edstein and do the practice exercises on range.